Okay, I purchased this folding mattress. It came out, I actually ordered it to have it packed inside an Amazon box, so which is this one here, and then what came out is this box here. This is actually the original box. It actually shows what's in the box. That's why I had to ask for an Amazon box. Okay, so I'm gonna try to open it right now. This is nice. So this is the carrier. Alright. So it's a zipper. Okay. So this is pretty much where you're gonna put it into. Alright. And that's nice. Yeah. So you could pack it in here. If you could see that, it's pretty big, and I'm like only 4'9", so okay, there you go. Okay, now let's put this on. It's starting to expand already, so I probably don't even need to save this plastic. Okay, wow, there you go. This is pretty big. So this is the back side. This is the front. It's supposed to be 75 inches, and I'm gonna try to measure it. Hold on. And I'm measuring it. So here's the 0, and then all the way here. So that's 60 inches. So 60 inches plus 15, okay, is 75. Okay, it shows here that it is 24 inches. All right, let's see if I could fold it. I think it should be easy to fold. There you go. See that? You could fold it in tri-folds. I think I should take the plastic out so it could expand more. So, but so far I'm pretty satisfied. Let me take the plastic off. Oh, this is great. So you basically could take out unzip this if you want to wash the cover, and I believe it's, you could, let's see here, there's instructions here. Polyurethane foam. That's interesting. I thought I purchased a memory foam. I believe there's a difference on that. Let me check. Okay, took the plastic out. Seems like it's expanding more, and it is a 4-inch thick, but well, what I mean is that's good. Actually, it looked thicker than I expected, so which is a good thing. And it did have a slight smell, but not strong. And it's starting to, the smell starts subsiding, so which is a good thing. I think the fact it's been in the plastic for a while, but what I didn't realize, it's polyurethane foam, which I'm not really crazy about. I thought it was a memory foam that's inside there, but that's okay. So for the price, I'm pretty satisfied, considering it includes a case, a carrying case, because I know in other mattress foam you have to purchase the carrying case separate. So this is pretty convenient. It's easy to carry around. Alright, and let me try to fold it here and see if I could put it inside the carrying case. Okay, I folded it in. It was pretty easy. Okay, like I said, I'm pretty happy about it, really happy. Okay, so as you can see, like one layer is 4 inches, so if you fold it in 3, it makes it to 12 inches here, so which is pretty cool. You can even make it like a chair if you want to. And by the way, guys, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. Thank you. Easy to store,